Hi there, good to have you again. This is my channel, Judith Effect. I hope you find out time to watch my other videos, and if you find them interesting, please do well to always hit the red subscribe button down below, which is to subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. So this is basically for dry skin peeps, because this cream actually helps to really moisturize your face. Then a normal to dry skin can also use it. If your skin is normal, like it's not on the drying part and it's not on the oily part, it's just normal, you can also use this product to moisturize your skin. It highly moisturizes your skin. It helps to hydrate your skin, and it also helps to treat eczema, itching, skin irritation. So if you are interested in this, please make sure to watch up until the end. Hi there, good to have you again in this episode of the skincare mask, brought to you by yours. Today's video, I'll be talking about the E45 cream. This, even when I saw this, I was really surprised that E45 has a cream like this, and it's strictly for skin issues. When I got this, I was not so sure whether to use it directly on my face or to mix it into my cream, but because here it is stated clearly that it's for treatment of dry skin conditions like the dry flaky skin, eczema, itchy skin, dry psoriasis, and sunburns. And then before I bought this cream, that was I think during summer, I bought this cream during the summer period, and I noticed there was a little bit of sunburn I had on the side of my eye. It also says it treats sunburns. And then also I was using the E45 body lotion. At that time I was also mixing it with the lotion, and then it was giving me a good result that I liked. However, I'll tell you what the result was like, so make sure to keep watching up until the end. So when I used this one directly on my face, guess what? It was really good. It didn't give me any bad reaction, rather it helped to moisturize my face very highly. But before I used it directly on my face, I was mixing it with my moisturizing face cream, because I was like, I didn't know what the result would be like, so that I don't get to react maybe not nicely, because treating skin issues are not the easiest. It's easy to really get them, but getting rid of them is always a problem. But I noticed high moisturizing effect on my skin. It was glowing, it was shining more. The only thing I noticed was high moisturization. So I was like, okay, let me try it directly on my skin to see if there was going to be any effect, bad or good, on my skin. So I started using it directly every night before I went to bed. I showered, cleansed my face, toned it, and then I used this before I go to bed. It's not a face cream, but because I was using it on my face, I'm calling it a face cream. This is the mildest cream I've ever used on my face. Like, a cream in a tube is always expected very effective, but for this E45 cream, the only thing it will do on your skin is to moisturize your face. It's written basically that it is a treatment for dry skin. Honestly, this thing would highly moisturize your face if you have a dry skin. And of course, you can mix it on your lotion to just give it extra moisture. So if you can get this close to you, it is good for you to give it a try, because some weeks after, when I went grocery shopping, I went back to the shop where I got this one. It was no longer there, and up until now that I'm making this video, I've not seen this E45 tube again. I've checked a couple of shops, beauty shops, superstores. I've not seen this E45. I'm amazed that, okay, does that mean this product really works, or people really know about it and it really works for them? If it's about working, it will definitely work to hydrate your skin, to actually moisturize it. And trust me, that dry flaky skin, it really does work, because when it came to my heels, sometimes it got dry. So when I mixed it, I was mixing it with my lotion then, which was also a moisturizing lotion. It was the E45 lotion I was mixing it together with, and I noticed my heel got softer, and it just smoothed out the heels of my feet. This is not even an exaggeration. This is part of my body care routine, and even my face sometimes. So this cream is really good for dry skin. If you're looking to treat dry skin, itchy skin, flaky skin, sunburn, like, this cream is super good. And you can see it's somewhere around here. I think here is almost finishing. So it says E45 cream is an unperfumed and non-greasing emollient cream. It has been clinically proven to treat and soothe dry, itchy, emphasis on the dry. Okay, underline it, dry. So it says it has been clinically, so that means research has been made on it and they made it certified to be used on the skin. So it said it has been clinically proven to treat and soothe dry skin, itching, flaking, chapped, rough and calloused skin. You see what I was telling you guys about my feet? Chapped feet means, like, chapped means when something is not so smooth. Like I said, the heels of my feet was a bit rough because of, I think it's the weather then, so it was kind of not so smooth. As soon as I started mixing this into my cream and was using it all over my body down to my feet and my heels, I didn't even remember until one day, I don't know how, my hands just went to my heels and I'm like, okay, it's really smooth. I could feel like really smooth and soft. This cream actually worked in doing what it says it does. So it says it is also for more serious dry skin conditions such as eczema. So if you are actually treating eczema as well, you can give this a try on them. Dermatitis, itchiosis, ichthyosis, and certain dry cases of psoriasis. E45 cream can be used every day by the whole family, including infants over the age of 1 month. Another thing I like about this cream is that infants can use it. And when I made a review about Johnson baby oil and some other product that children or kids can use that are safe on the skin of babies, I said that anything that is safe on babies is safe on adults, because you know definitely that whatever product or whatever composition that was used to make that particular product makes sure or looks out for the safety of those babies. They make sure that it's gentle on their skin and really helpful to the skin so that it doesn't irritate the skin of the child. So anything that a child can use, be sure that it's safe for you to use. And that is one thing that also attracted me to this cream, because when I picked it, I had to read through it and also read the ingredients. This cream, as I read it out to you, this is where the writings are. So this is the information that is it, and it says read the carton carefully before use. Of course, it came with on a small pack. I discarded the pack a long time ago because as soon as I started using it, I threw away the pack. So this is a tested and trusted cream if you're trying to treat any skin condition, especially if you have a dry skin, you're having or experiencing eczema, you're trying to treat sunburns, you want to really highly moisturize your skin, you want to really hydrate it, you want to get it rid of any skin reaction that you're having, redness, sunburns, and a couple of whatever treatment that this cream does is mentioned on the body of this cream here. So if you have any of these conditions and you think you would like to try this cream, then go ahead and give it a try. It doesn't even have any ingredient that will hurt or give you any bad reaction. It doesn't lighten the skin. I'm not sure it lightens your skin, but it works in smoothing out your skin. And once your skin is smooth, it tends to look brighter because your skin is blended already. It's smooth of all those black spots or sunburns or all those conditions you're treating. So it just makes your skin look brighter and healthy. So that's why if you're using a product that helps to smooth out your skin, that helps to treat sunburns, black spots, it doesn't even need to really lighten you. Once your skin is brighter and once your skin is smoothened, your skin just tends to brighten up because it looks better, it glows out, and you know, it just looks healthier. So that is all I have for this video. You could check it out online because I was planning to look it up online when I run out of this one, and if there's need for me to still use it again. So thank you so much for watching. If you watched up until this part, do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell me in the comment section, have you ever seen this E45 cream? Do you use it, or did you ever use it before? What was your reaction like? And if you have the chance to get it, would you buy it to try it on your skin? We can interact on the comment center, okay? And I would respond to you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.